Good day everyone. Today I have a tutorial for you on how to make stunning YouTube intros by using Canva AI video generator, and also at the end I will also show you how to make the same thing by using Clipchamp. So let's begin. The first thing, from the home page you have to click on videos. You have different choices of resolutions and aspect ratios to choose from here. So this is the basic widescreen video that like a lot of people are using on YouTube, right? So you're gonna have to choose a mobile video. If you're creating shorts, if you're making usual widescreen videos, you're going to select a video. That's what I will do. So videos, create a video, click on this. And now we have a big button where it says generate videos instantly. You have to click on this. This is basically something that will allow us to generate videos using AI, and we're going to be able to make our beautiful YouTube intros using this. Click on it. Now you have to upload your intros. So you need to choose 3 files at least. You can, as it says, select 10 if you want. So let's do that. I'm going to choose media from my computer. Okay, I have uploaded my videos now. These are just free intro videos that I have downloaded to demonstrate for you how to make your own by using AI. So now the next thing, as it says here, describe the kind of video you want. We'll use this to generate a design. So what this means, you just have to input a text, which is called a prompt also. It's basically a description of the kind of video you want to have. It's up to you now what to choose and what to type in here. Okay, so now I will input my text, my prompt, okay, something like this. And now you just have to generate a AI video from these 3 that we have uploaded by pressing this generate button. Now it will generate a video for us, and we will see how it's going to be. Okay, so that was quite fast. Now I'm going to make my volume a bit lower so that it's not too loud. Okay, so I'm going to play it back. Okay, so quite short, just like YouTube intros have to be. And this is basically how you do it by using Canva's new AI generating feature. After you have generated your video, now you can select different things to play with. You can add elements, text. Basically, you can start editing your video more if that's something you want. And now I'm going to move to the Clipchamp and show you how to do the same thing but in Clipchamp. Okay, so now I am at Clipchamp website. So it's very easy from here. So there's a button at the very home page. Just press on create a video with AI. Press on it. Now we need to, just like always, upload our media first. I will do that. Okay, now we need to input our prompt, our text, basically something we want to see in the video. I will do that. This is my prompt. Now we need to press a get started button. Now you have a choice to choose a style. So we have a thumbs down and thumbs up buttons, which basically will serve as a choice to either dislike or like a specific style, right? So if I, for example, do not like the vibrant, I press on the thumbs down button. If I like elegant, for example, I'm not pressing anything and I just choose next. Now that I have chosen my style, I will choose the length, right? And also you can choose a aspect ratio and a resolution that will be at the end. So landscape, usual resolution for widescreen videos for YouTube. Portrait, it's for Reels, Instagram stories, basically a portrait mode for smartphones. I will choose landscape because this will correspond to the original aspect ratio of my own videos. I'm going to click next. You can also choose how long your video will be. So for me it's full length. Now you can use this button here to choose and add different types of music. I will leave it as it is. Okay, now it's basically done. Now we have to click edit in timeline, where the video editor will allow us to edit the video more and make it even more suiting to your liking. So let's click edit in timeline. This is basically our video. So as you can see, it's now automatically added into our timeline. So these are the videos, this is the audio track, and now let's play it back and see what we have. So as you can see, I have chosen full length, but this is way too long for a YouTube intro. So you might want to make it quite a bit shorter, because a intro that is 22 seconds long or even like 25 seconds long, that's way too long. So just keep in mind that you just have to make it shorter. But in general, this is basically how you do it. And now you can play around with different editing tools if you want, and then you just export and upload it to your YouTube video. But yeah, this is how you make a YouTube intros by using Canva and Clipchamp. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.